Hey everyone, the Respirator unit is one of the most iconic details of the Death Korps of Krieg, and in this video I'll show you how I bring that look to life. Muted tones, rubbery textures and subtle transitions that give these models their character. This segment is taken from my Lord Marshal Dreir black camo tutorial on Patreon, but it's also a complete standalone guide for gas mask heads in any Death Korps of Krieg scheme. I start by applying a base coat of wraith bone. The masks were already shaded during the camouflage stage, using the same grime mix of Black Templar and Nuln Oil. With that step taken care of earlier, I now continue with the highlights. I begin by picking out the raised areas with Administratum Grey. After that, I glaze the recesses with a mix of Corvus Black and Administratum Grey to create a smooth transition, using only water as the medium. Next I add finer accents with deep-kin flash. To bring out the worn rubber-like quality of the material, I gradually mix deep-kin flash with pellet witch flash, building up the highlights step by step until I finish with the finest accents using pure pellet witch flash. For the hoses with that muted drab East Block look, I start by picking out the raised areas with Krieg khaki. Then I create a transition mix of Corvus Black and Krieg khaki and glaze it over for a smoother finish. Applied again using the glazing technique. Thanks for watching. I hope this section added something useful to your painting. Feel free to check out the full black camo scheme tutorial on Patreon. See you next time. Have fun.